Good morning, everyone. We are discussing lesson number 4, right? Understanding laws. In the earlier class, we have discussed the importance of the idea of justice in the law. And also we discussed that in the olden times, there were no rule of law. The laws or the punishments were made according to the wish of the rulers or the kings. And hence, what happened? The punishments were depending upon the religion, caste, or any other status of the people. Some of the high class people got, or mainly the high class people got light punishments, while for same crimes, the low class people got very hard punishments. Anyway, in 1947, we got the independence and we made a constitution. In this module, we are going to learn about how do these laws are come about. Okay, let us learn. The parliament has a very important role in the making of the law. The parliament is very sensitive on issues faced by the people of the country, which means all the issues faced by the people are discussed in the parliament. If the ruling party is not ready to discuss these issues, what happens? There is opposition party. This opposition party will raise their voice against the government or the ruling party for these people. They brings out these issues in front of the parliament, which means the parliament is so sensitive on the issues faced by the people. And we are going to learn the journey which leads to the formation of the laws. By the 1919, there was a big discussion in the Indian society about the domestic violence. Discussion about the domestic violence, which was in 1919s. What is the domestic violence? Domestic violence means an injury or any harm caused by an adult male to his wife. Once more, domestic violence means the injury or any harm caused by an adult male to his wife. This is the domestic violence. Then what happens? Many lawyers, a group of lawyers, law students, some activists draft a law. I mean a domestic violence bill to stop this domestic violence. Once more, in 1919, a group of lawyers, law students, and some activists drafted a domestic violence bill to stop the domestic violence. What is the drafting? Drafting means preparation of a rough document, which is not the final document. Preparation of a rough document, that is drafting. So this group of lawyers, law students and activists drafted a domestic violence bill. This bill circulated around the country. A draft document need more discussion to make it a final document. Anyway, this draft document circulated in the country. Many discussions, meetings, debates were held regarding with this issue. Several organizations, many organizations submitted this bill to the Parliamentary Standing Committee. And what happened? These voices of the people could be heard through the televisions, through the newspapers, through the radios. And finally, in 2005, the Domestic Violence Act was passed in the Parliament. In 2005, the Domestic Violence Bill was passed in the Parliament. What it means? It means the public opinion is very important in the making process of any law. That is very important. Anyway, what we have discussed is that the Parliament has an important role in the making of the law. Parliament is so sensitive on the issues faced by the people of India. And also we discussed a long journey which led to the formation of Domestic Violence Bill of 2005. All these indicate that the public opinion is very important in the making process of the law.